Hello, welcome to my channel, The Forbidden Fruit. iMovie is a great video editing program, but if you dive into editing videos right away, at times you will be frustrated thinking iMovie has a mind on its own because you didn't bother to change the default settings. At first, you might not notice, but as you go on, you will see you are wasting time looking how to correct those annoying things. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize these default settings to suit your needs and edit happily ever after. First, you have to set the iMovie preferences setting. Go to iMovie menu and select Preferences. You may shoot something in slow motion. When you import that clip, you want it to be in slow motion too. So, check the box at Slow-Mo Clips to apply slow motion automatically. When you import photos, because photos are in different dimensions than video, you may want to fit the whole picture inside the video frame. Even though you may see dark space both sides of the photo, you want to have the full picture. Then select Fit. If you want, you can select the crop to fit or use Ken Burns effect. Ken Burns effects gives the photo an illusion of motion. You start from one section, moving to a different section to show the full picture. You want to set the default time duration of the pictures in seconds. Normally 3 to 4 seconds are okay for the viewer to know what is in the picture. But if you want longer, say for putting titles in a picture, you can change it clip by clip later by clicking on the clip in the timeline and stretch them. Next, you can set the time for transition. That too can be around 3 or 4 seconds. Last, you can delete the render files to free up storage space. Next preferences you are going to change is the project preferences. That's at the bottom right of the viewer window. Click on the settings to see the drop down menu. There you can select the theme, automatic content and filter. Normally I don't bother them because I can select them later to suit my needs. If you want to automatically trim background music to fit the length of the movie, select Trim Background Music checkbox. Next two are useful. If you want to start black background and fade in your movie, check it. If you want to fade out to black at the end of the movie, select Fade Out to Black. If you want to change the size of the clips in the timeline, use the slider. You can see the size of the clips change to small or large. To see the waveform, check Show Waveform. Once you are done, click on the settings again or outside the gray box. You can change the window size too. Drag the border between viewer and the timeline up and down to your preferred size. Next one is audio recording setting. You click on the microphone icon to activate the recording. Next to the red button, settings icon. When clicked, it will show a window. You can select the audio source. You can change the volume with the slider. When you record, you don't want any sound from the clip to interfere, so mute it. Now you can see the viewer window. It shows the current clip. You can change the settings of that clip on the icon menu on top of the viewer window. Starting from the right side, first one shows the information about the selected clip. Second one is the filter and audio effect. Next one is the clip speed. You can make fast or slow motion, freeze frame, custom speed here in the drop down menu. If you want to reverse, you can select on the other side. Next two are for audio. They stay in gray. Only when you select the sound waveform they will be activated. Here you can reduce background noise. Using equalizer, you can enhance the sound with drop-down menu. Next one is for volume. You can change the volume with the slider. Next one is for the stabilizing shaky videos. You can try with the slider. Next one is crop. If your clip is different from the aspect ratio of the video you are making, you can change fit to include the whole video without cropping. You can use Ken Burns effects too. Next two are for color balance, skin tone. You can play with them too. Here are the 4 settings you have to make your video editing smooth and trouble-free. This will help you edit happily ever after. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel.